Aloha Mundo, welcome to our screen. I am Yurshik and now I will teach you how I installed Sonic P here on Fedora Core 40. Um, we will open the software icon um, below to the right. There is an icon that have a caption called software. I will click on it. I will type in Sonic P. So Sonic P. In my case, Sonic P has already been installed, but you will click on Sonic P and then click on the install button. Uh, this install button is exactly where the open button that I am showing you. Other if you can locate Sonic P on software, you can also I have done it sometimes in other installations. You can also look for it on the Sonic P page on the web. We will wait some seconds more to open the Sonic P official page that I will share you in the URL in the description of this video. Sonic P.net. This is the official Sonic P web page. We will look for the Linux installation. Then if you have looking for the dev package, pre-built package, and downloaded, you can run the terminal instructions and Ubuntu or Debian or other distribution or other Linux distribution will install Sonic P. But in the case that you have errors because of the uh, you are using because of that you are using a new version of your Linux distribution, you can use this instruction for make your own build of Sonic P on your Linux distribution. I will share the page with the instruction to build your own binary for Sonic P installation. Thank you. That's all. I wish you install Sonic P correctly in your Linux distribution. It tells you how to install. You have to read hash right here. For Debian, it says, what I did on Flipspeed is I installed this version, the Debian version of FastFetch. Now, I clicked on this. I've got the direct link in the description below the video. And these are the files. Now, this is for if you're running FreeBSD, you would download this install file. Well, I'm not running that. This
this is the file you would install, which is an RPM for Arch Linux, but I'm not running Arch Linux, I'm running Debian. So for Linux Mint, Ubuntu, and Debian, this is the file you have to look for. And I'm running 64-bit. This is the one. Fast fetch mid del.
And that is this is Sonic P running on Fedora Core 40, Fedora Core 40, without without problems. Um, Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye.